Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix errors quickly with Google Antigravity AI Agents. In this case, I already have this AI installed on my computer, so let's test it out. I'm going to test it with a simple code, but you can do it directly with your projects or any type of code you have. And Google Antigravity AI will help you fix these errors. In this case, I'm going to test this super simple Python code and give it some context. First, remember to always provide context and ask it to help fix this code so that it works perfectly. Once we have that, we submit and wait to see. It says, for example, here it will show you and give you the explanation of the change. In this case, it was a minor error. I was missing the equal sign for the number or name variable. So now it will output the complete code section here and include a small comment indicating what was missing. Now I'm going to move on this other code, which is for calculating a factorial. I'm going to give it the same prompt at the beginning, and let's see what the error is. In this case, it will first give us the correct code, and then it will provide the explanations for the corrections applied. It tells us that the body of the factorial function and if or the if block must be indented, and that's the closing parenthesis was missing in the print function. Those were the errors that we correct, and you can apply this to your projects to fix errors quickly. And that's it.